What's up, guys? This is Dominic, and today, a couple months ago, I purchased a Walmart Rubik's Cube, and I kind of got into it for a while, and I'm still into cubing, but like I realized like everybody had all these speed cubes and stuff, and I had this, and I'm sitting here sitting with this $10 Walmart cube that sucks. So what I ended up doing is I watched a couple videos, and alright, I watched like 2 videos, but like I turned my $10 Walmart cube into speed cube. Like, it's really fast, you know. So what I did was I took off all the center tiles, you know, all the center tiles with my knife, and there's a screw on the inside. So what I did was I took a screwdriver and I just loosened it a lot, and that's how you can turn it real fast. It's almost like a Zanchi in a way, but also not. But I think it works really good. So with this cube, I'm kind of close to solving it. I mean, I can't solve one yet, but I've gotten decent at it, I guess. Yeah, I can only solve a side at a time, so yeah, I guess I'll try to solve a side. Just mix it up first. You guys can't tell I'm sitting on my porch right now, so. Oh, I almost broke it. This thing can corner cut rather well too. Alright, all mixed up. I'll go with the white first. Alright, so 3, 2, 1, go. I'm not the greatest at cubing, so. Especially when I'm trying, I am somewhat used to this cube. But not the greatest. Alright, solve the white. And now I'll just go with the green. So, oh wait, no, where's the green? Oh, green's right there. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, there, solved it. And let's go for blue, I guess. So, 3, 2, 1, go. I gotta start learning how to do algorithms as well. Blue, and let's just go with one more. Just go with the white, I guess. Because I like leaving off on the white. Okay. And like I said, this thing can corner cut pretty well. Like, oh, kind of. Oh shoot.